the Nature Boy Ric Flair. On my way. Woo! Jet flying to Las Vegas to see my main man Mark at the Affiliate Summit, Paris Hotel, January 16th and 17th. The Nature Boy. Limousine ride. Jet flying with my main man Mark, who's got more money than God. Think about that, Mark. More money than God. That's my kind of brother. That's the guy I travel with. And we will have a briefcase, suitcase, box full of cash to give away. Ladies and gentlemen, the Affiliate Summit, Paris Hotel, and the Nature Boy. Limousine ride. Jet flying, kiss stealing, wheeling dealing, women in Las Vegas, run. The Nature Boy and Mark are in town. Woo!